Good morning everyone, welcome back to Question a Day. Today we'll be answering the July 18th question on long division. Here our question is divide 3x cubed minus 6x squared plus 7x minus 14. Let's divide it by x plus 2. And ideally we want to use algebraic long division to do this, so we can find our remainder. We want to give our answer in the form ax squared plus bx plus c plus d over x plus 2. Now ax squared plus bx plus c is the quadratic that's left over, and d is our remainder. So let's set this up. Now we're going to use our kind of bus stop method, but we're going to slightly modify it so we can use it with algebra. Put our x plus 2 on the outside. On the inside we'll put our function 3x cubed, take 6x squared plus 7x minus 14. And we will attempt to do our long division process here. The way we do this is we compare our most significant x term. Now the reason I say this is because we can use long division not only with x plus 2, but something like, say, x squared plus 2 or x cubed plus 2 if we really wanted to. So we're going to look at our most significant x term, which here it just happens to be x, and we're going to see how many copies of that goes in to 3x cubed. So we're doing 3x cubed divided by x effectively. And we know that that's going to be 3x squared. What we do is we take that 3x squared and we put it above the squared term, kind of there. So it's that kind of x squared column. Now what we're going to do is, now we know that 3x squared, lots of x, goes into 3x cubed, we need to see how much of x plus 2 goes into this. So what we do is we take this 3x squared and we multiply it by x plus 2. No surprises, x times 3x squared is 3x cubed. And then 2 times 3x squared, well, that's going to be positive 6x squared. Okay, so now we're going to subtract this expression from the top. 3x cubed, take 3x cubed, well that's 0. Minus 6x squared, take 6x squared, well that will come to negative 12x squared. Okay, so we know that at least 3x squared, lots of x plus 2, goes into this, this function. So now we need to work on the rest of it. We're going to bring down this 7x, and we're going to do the same approach. We're going to look at how many lots of x go into negative 12x squared. So I'm going to look at that. I'm going to say x into negative 12x squared. Well, that's just going to be negative 12x. And multiplying those two together, we'd get back to minus 12x squared. So we're just doing a very basic algebraic division there. Okay, so we take this negative 12x, multiply it back by x plus 2, we get negative 12x squared. Those two are the same, so we know we've done the right thing. Negative 12x times by 2, well, that's going to be negative 24x. And once again, we're going to subtract off this entire thing. So minus 12x squared minus 12x squared, well that's going to be plus 12x squared. I think we've got two minuses, that makes a plus. So minus 12x squared plus 12x squared, well once again that's going to be 0. Again, that's what we should expect. 7x take minus 24x is the same as 7x plus 24x, again minus and minus make a plus, and this gives us 31 lots of x. And we can carry down this 14 negative 14. And we'll do our last step. So we're going to look at how many x's go into 31x, and that is just 31. Multiplying through again, we get 31x plus 62. And we're going to subtract that entire line off this one. Once again, 31 take 31, that's 0. Negative 14 take 62, that's going to be negative 76. And this is our remainder. So when we complete this division, we're left with negative 76. So what happens, so we can say that if we had something like 3x cubed, take 6x squared, plus 7x, take 14, and we divided this entire thing by x plus 2, well, what we're left with is our expression from the top here, 3x squared minus 12x plus 31 minus 76 divided by x plus 2. So that's our little bit left over. That's our whole part, that's our remainder. That's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow.